Okay, now let's go. So after you take a look at our showroom and after we do a brief introduction for you, we want to know what's your impression of our company.
I'm very impressed this coming the 6 days stay here. This is a very nice company and everything is very good organized. Everything very impressed for your
Yeah,
company.
yeah, we appreciate.
Yeah, this is the
We
I
thank you.
changing the different. This is the, everything is different here. Everything is organizing. Everything have a this
Yes,
like one restaurant. Everything here one stop service. No need any other supplier.
yeah, can save your time. Yeah, to a certain extent.
Yes. This is the always the time. This is the going to. This is the one restaurant. So many supplier need. This is the 4 5 supplier, but everything here one stop service is very nice organized.
Yes, because we are the kitchen expert, we can do the one-stop kitchen solution for you.
Yeah.
So during this time, can save your time, and we can collect all the products for you at the same time. You
Yes.
don't need to discuss with many supplier at the same time to do many QC many
Right.
times.
Right.
Yes.
All the time. Not any customer coming here. He do not need it. This is the other supplier. He all the no need this all the time. This is the coming one is one supplier. Then is good.
Yes. Thank you. Well, thank you. Okay.